Hi, this is Shalini. I am representing Forum for Students with Disabilities, Jadavpur University. Today, I am going to talk about my personal concern regarding typing my answer script in my master's course, and I want to address how do disabled students approach their professors in their respective institution or college for typing their own answer script for tests and semesters rather. For me, my solution was I had to mail my professors regarding my concern and how I want to use NVDA, OCR, like ABBY Fine Reader, and my laptop. And for questions, they would give me the question, mail me the questions, and for that I actually also added a quotation concerning how where it is written how to type my examination, or how disabled students can type their own examination, from Government of India, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Disability Affairs, Section 7. I would ask my sister, who is also recording the video for me for this solution video, Kajal, please read out the quotation where it is specified how to type or write the examinations.
It says persons with disabilities should be given the mode for taking the examinations, that is, in braille or in the computer or in large print, or even by recording the answers, as the examining bodies can easily make use of technology to convert question paper in large prints, e-text or braille, and can also convert braille text in English or regional languages.
Thank you, Kajal, for reading out the quotation for us. Uh, Here we can really understand how it is encompassing every situation. Either I can use Braille, or I can use OCR and type my answers, or I can even record my answers. Where suppose we had to do in our pandemic situations, right? So thank you so much.
Break Free Solutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.